Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. It's day 14 on our Daniel fast, and today too I'm going to share with you some awesome recipe. But before then, let's look at our verses and quotes for day 14. And so our verses are Esther 2 and Psalm 141 and 142. Our quotes reads, "The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong." Mahatma Gandhi, quoted in the book Hope Through the Dark, written by Samuel Cratton Pepem. And so, dear, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. The 14, we are going to have some awesome turmeric coconut rice or fried rice. Yes, so this is my coconut milk that I'm going to use. I have my saucepan on fire and I'm going to pour in my coconut milk. And so all that you have to do is just get the dry coconut, blend it and squeeze the milk from it and use it. You don't need to go and buy the store bought coconut milk or the store one. Yes, and this is my turmeric powder. I'm going to add it to the coconut milk on fire. If you don't know what Daniel fast is about, I'll leave the link there for you to watch and understand. Okay, and so I did 1 meal a day. So the recipes that I'm posting, they are 1 meal a day. I fast throughout the day and break at 3 to 4 p.m. I'll end the fast and then eat and continue the next day. Okay, so I added my brown rice to the coconut milk. Yes, and I'm going to add a bit of the coconut chaff to the rice. Yes, so you can't use white rice on Daniel fast. It must be local, like brown rice, not these. Okay, some of the local rice too are white, but what I'm talking about is you cannot use refined rice. No, brown rice or organic rice. Okay, and so we'll cover and give it time for it to cook. And with this, you have to be stirring like the way you prepare your jollof rice. You have to be stirring it like that. Okay, so I'm going to cover with a tissue. You can use a napkin or foil or parchment paper. Yes, just to cover, lower the fire or the heat and let it simmer. Okay, so our rice is ready. Yes, and we are not going to leave it raw like that. We are going to stir fry it a bit. So I have some onion and garlic in my pan with a bit of coconut oil. Yes, you don't need too much oil. Bear in mind the coconut milk already contains oil, so even if you don't use any oil at all, it will be okay. So we are just adding the cooked rice to it. Please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video for me. When you go to the description box, I have videos of the other recipes you can watch. So I just added my corn. This is not sweet corn, this is just cooked corn. Because it's a Daniel fast, you can't use sweet corn, so just the normal corn that's they cooked and sell. You can buy that one, or you can buy maize and cook it yourself. And then I added my chopped vegetables. I'm adding white and black pepper also to it. Yes, and then we'll stir fry this for some few minutes and that will be okay. So I'm adding some spring onions. Just give it a quick stir and we are done. Yes, we are done with our turmeric coconut rice or coconut fried rice. Very tasty and sumptuous. And we are going to serve it with our vegetables. That's cabbage and lettuce, and I just sprinkled some olive oil dressing on it. When you go to the description box, you get a link to how I seasoned this olive oil dressing. I'm adding my sauce to it, which you can get the video also. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.